Alright guys, so I just got myself a new wireless microphone with the name GLM Wireless Mic Light. I know you like my videos and I always think about the sound quality that comes from my video. So I decided to buy this microphone to enhance the quality of the sound in my videos. I'll be doing the unboxing and also a full review on it to find out if it's worth buying it. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and also share to other people so that they can enjoy our content.